All right, ladies and gents, we got some friends and family in the house today. We got a turkey on the smoker. Make sure you check out that video. Since we're making turkey, we gotta have a homemade cranberry sauce. We got fresh cranberries, fresh oranges, and a secret ingredient. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's bussin'.
It's bussin'?
Yeah.
I get 2 bussins? All right, ladies and gents, you heard it. It's bussin'. Let's go. All right, ladies and gents, you guys are gonna love this homemade cranberry sauce. Much better than what you get out of a can, that's for sure. We got some fresh cranberries, fresh orange, some orange juice, sugar, and a little hint of vanilla. You guys are gonna love this. I'm gonna get everything prepped and ready to roll. Let's go. All right, you guys, I'm telling you what, if you wanna impress your guests and family for the holiday, make them a homemade cranberry sauce. Way better than what you're gonna get out of a can. Let's get this put together. Now, I did zest the orange. So I have the orange zest, which we're gonna add. I also juiced the orange and then topped it off to 1 cup with some 100% orange juice. So we're gonna make basically like a simple syrup and use orange juice instead of water. All right, orange juice, 1 cup. We're gonna add a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. A 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. And we're gonna get this heated up until the sugar is dissolved. Be right back. All right, you guys, we got the sugar incorporated here. As soon as you feel that it's not scraping or scratching at the bottom, you know it's dissolved at that point. Let's go ahead and get the cranberries added, yeah? All right, this is 12 ounces of fresh cranberry. All right, you guys, we're gonna give this probably about 10 minutes. As soon as you see the cranberries start to crack open, you're there. Now, once they're all cracked open, just kind of like that, and you start to see they're getting nice and soft, kill the heat. And also keep in mind, as this cools, it'll thicken. All right, we're gonna let this rest for about an hour, and then we're gonna add our secret ingredient. Be right back. All right, you guys, now that this had time to cool off, you want to make sure it's cool so that way the vanilla doesn't burn. That's why you wait until it's cooled off. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. It is just enough for the right hint of something amazing. You guys will love it. Add it. Just like that. All right, you guys, we're going to add some orange zest. And it's good to go. All right, y'all, this cranberry sauce looks legit. You might see this big giant spatchcock turkey sitting here. Be sure to check out that video. That turkey is thebomb.com without a doubt. We're gonna use some of this juicy, moist, tender, pillowy, soft breast meat with our cranberry sauce. Let's go. All right, y'all, you guys ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Wow, that sweetness with that smoke on the turkey. Wow. Cordell, what's your thoughts?
It's like a straight punch to the face.
Yeah.
With like amazing sweetness.
Flavor. And it just like wakes up that turkey breast. Matt, what do you think?
I did not wear this shirt for nothing. That cranberry sauce.
Delicious.
All right, y'all. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. You guys are gonna love this. Serve this one for the holiday. Your friends and family are gonna love it. Let's go. Dude, that's fire.
Those two combined are, yeah.
Yeah, the two combined.
The sweet, the smoke. Yeah.
Yep, out of this world.
He was busting.